I'm running in front of the camera.
Yes, you are. Tomorrow is the deadline for my SIWES report submission, and guys, I was done with it. I'm going. This is the first time I ordered something from AliExpress that was delivered to me before a month. I was really surprised. So guys, I ordered for a scalp massager that I'm going to be trying on my hair in one of my hair videos that I'll be making very soon. So I ordered this. I'll be trying it out in one of my videos. So guys, welcome back again to my channel. If this is your first time, I am Alice and you're welcome to my channel. My returning subscribers, you guys are the best. So this is another vlog week where I document my weekly vlogs, my weekly activities. Here in this video I was just braiding my hair, and of course I'm definitely going to upload the videos on how I made this mini braid. And guys, this mini braid took me 7 hours to make it. It was just, I don't know, but anyways, you guys are definitely going to see the video very soon. So guys, for my days, I'm really tired, and honestly, I don't know at this point. I really don't know what to say, because tomorrow is the deadline for my SIWES report submission, and guys, I was done with it. I was literally done with it. It was just for me to print out, but my laptop wiped it. So now I'm starting all over again, and tomorrow is the deadline. But anyways, hopefully I'm going to complete it this night, and then I'll print it tomorrow morning and go and submit it, because tomorrow is the deadline. I really don't even know what to say, because I'm not so happy, but I'll be fine. Today I'll be submitting my report. I'm actually late. I'm really late. So guys, this is what I submitted after I completed my SIWES. I submitted my logbook, I made a report, and also bonded the report into a disk. A detailed video on how I filled the logbook and everything will be coming up very soon. So guys, I thought this submitting thing will not take time, but we are still here now. I'm even hungry. I want to go and buy food, and I'm here with my rich kid, baby Black Beauty. So we want to buy food and chop, because we are about to die. No, we're not about to die. Guys, I'm finally eating, and meet my second rich kid, Gold. BJ, say hi guys. Bolaji.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel.
Say hi guys.
I'm running in front of the camera.
Yes, you are.